What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I just got back, had some breakfast, came home from a doctor's appointment. I had a kidney transplant about a month ago. So a month later, doing better, moving around better, feeling great. And doctor said everything looks good. I was going every week, then it was every 2 weeks. So the doctor said, listen, you doing good, which I feel good. And he said, we want to see you back in 3 weeks. But I still do the weekly blood work, keep up with how everything is going. One issue I'm having right now is the blood sugar because, I'm on medication so my body won't reject the kidney. And it's one of the medications causes your blood sugar to rise. So I'm struggling with that. I'm on insulin, so I'm trying to get that situated and all that. Before I came to do the video, just told my wife, time to hit it hard. I was on the beginning, but we get a little comfortable. I don't get too comfortable because I need this kidney, so I can continue to live my life. Free time, no more dialysis, I'm loving it. As soon as they put the kidney in, they said it, worked immediately. After a long time of not really, TMI, using a bathroom on a regular basis, got energized, feeling good. Everything's healing up, still a little tender there. Can't feel nothing. I know you can't see, but can't feel nothing in this area. So that feels weird because I can't, even when I touch it, I don't feel nothing, just a slight pressure. But besides all that, everything is going good. I'm out of work, so that's why I'm focused on online business. And since I've been doing, online business, I guess you could say full time for about a month now, there's a lot of things I'm learning as far as marketing. Where to market at, how to market, where should I put my focus in? Because I'm not distracted right now by going to work, putting out information, and can't really track what I'm doing because I'm busy going to work, then having dialysis when I was on dialysis. So now I'm just home, so I can put something out there and I can see how it works. Put something else out there and see how it works. So lately I've been getting a lot of people emailing me questions as far as Exitus Elite, and I'm answering the questions, and and I know they're going through the information because the questions they're asking, you only ask these questions when a person goes through the information. So what I'm realizing, and I'm going to say it in this, Facebook, people who on Facebook, they're like free and cheap. We talking about, as you can see on your screen, we cracked the code to $2,000 commissions, right? This is a capture page that Exitus Elite has itself. I like to create my own capture page. Also, while I use Power Lead System to create my own pages and Autoresponders and all that. But I use Aweber too, because Aweber you can just send out, freely. So those are the main tools I use. Power Lead System, Aweber. Also got some sources in my copy and paste swap file. So whatever link you use, if you use this one, you're going to get in the email. If you use this source, I also create my own sales page for Exitus Elite. And when you go through my own personal funnel, you're going to come to a page where I created through Power Lead System, and you can get access to my copy and paste swap file right here towards the bottom, right? That has sources in here where you can run traffic. Also, Exitus Elite itself comes with everything you need. And I was just thinking this morning on my Facebook, let me run the Facebook real quick. I was actually going through some pictures in my phone, like the photos, and they said, back in the day, I don't even know how many years ago this was, but they was talking about how you're showing past pictures I used to have. So what I did was I took some of those photos and I posted them on Facebook, and that's the latest post right here. This back when I used to promote a company that was in a health and wellness arena, and they were selling shakes, weight loss shakes. Blast from the past, back in my MLM days. One thing that burned me out from doing MLM was getting people in, they quitting, getting people in, they quitting, getting people in, they quitting. I did that in this company. Then after this company, I promoted another company. That flagship product was coffee. And same thing happened there. You get people in and they don't want to do the necessary steps, But the last company which promoted coffee, I went to a conference in Florida. They had the 3 top earners in the whole entire company come and speak to us. That's when I actually learned that what top earners, like what the company teaches and the top earners say during the presentations in there, is not what they really do, because they really revealed a lot of information at this conference. And I was like, man, how you gonna teach this and do this? And some of the methods, I even heard one of the speakers during the training say, this is what you got to do. But at this conference, he said he did something completely different. That's when I learned. These top people, they doing something different. They're not doing what the average person is doing, or they're not even doing what the company say do, which makes sense. That now, and at that time, I wasn't ready, but now knowing what I know now, you got to find what works for you. You got to find what works for you. You got to stick with that. Now, one thing that I've seen is universal. No matter who you are, if you're brand new, if you're a pro, you got to brand yourself, because people join people. Now, when I'm talking about branding yourself, I'm not always talking about business. Who are you as a person? Like me, I work a full-time job. Well, not right now because I'm out of work from kidney transplant, but I work a full-time job in a warehouse, right? Job alone ain't going to cut it. So I use Exitus Elite to make $1,000, $2,000 commissions. Why at that level? You can do 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000. But I like to say 1,000, 2,000, because if you at the $2,000 level, one sale per month, doing the same thing you got to do to make a $50 sale. Okay, you got to make 20, $50 sales, doing the same thing I'm doing right now, putting out content, coming on camera, talk about what I do, talking about myself. And that same thing, I can make a $2,000 commission. 20 sales a month of 50, or one sale of 2,000. Well, Mike, it's easy to make $50. And actually ain't. Let me tell you why it's not. Because people join people. If you giving away knowledge, if you giving away, don't be afraid to give tips. Don't be afraid to tell people what you're doing. Share it. Share it, and just share it. I cut videos. From time to time, I run traffic. Whenever I get an idea, something I want to share, I shoot out emails, right? And I don't always promote. I just talk about something I learned, like give some tips. And I say, hey, if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. Some people ask me questions, then I answer those questions. Sometimes I might do a video with those questions. But selling a business, it is simple. It's people that overcomplicate it. People overcomplicate it. Because it's all about getting your product, getting your message that you have to share constantly in front of people. Can you gain the attention of people? Because that's all it's about, gaining the attention, right? A lot of people want to worry about Facebook algorithms and how does YouTube work? How that, now all that do come into play if you're really marketing. But if you just need to get out there, right? Who cares what people think? Let me ask you a question. When you get your bill in the mail, do you worry about, man, I wonder what other people think of how I'm going to pay this bill? Nope. You don't think about it. You just focus on getting the bill paid. Well, your business is what's going to bring in money so you can pay that bill. So forget what other people think. I can't worry about what you think about me. Because when the bills come in, I'm not thinking about you when the bills come in. I'm thinking about getting paid, getting that bill paid. So I come on camera. I share my message, and I find people with the same. I find people who resonate with me, who probably can connect with me. If we get on the phone and chat, cool. If we don't, cool. The same thing I was saying on the phone is what I'm saying in this video. Keep it simple. Drive traffic, cut videos, right? When you cut a video, write a little email and send it out to people. Send it out to your list. Right? I don't even like to say prospect no more. I used to say prospect. No, it's people. We're humans. Right? And why should you join me? I'm no different from anybody else. I'm not a guru. I'm just an average human being at home, doing a video with a full-time job, supplement my income or make additional income with Exitus Elite. That's it. There's nothing special about me. There actually is no secrets or anything out there anyway. It's all about you getting in front of people. That's the basics. And we are in the lead generation business. So build your list and connect with your list, right? Like this video I'm doing right here, it's on YouTube. It's on maybe on Facebook or whatever. But this is for the people who follow me. It's not for everybody. So when you put your information out there, it's going to start attracting new people. People that resonate with you. Okay? Because there's going to be people that follow you. You can have people follow you for years. I had a person told me, man, I followed you back when you was with this company. I'm like, whoa. Matter of fact, it was another friend of mine, and they said they mentioned my name on their job because they know me personally. So somebody on their job, and they told me this, and she was like, Mike, you on YouTube? I was like, yeah, because I never really talked to this person on a regular basis. How you know that? She said a friend of mine said they watch you on YouTube. And I was like, whoa. So that shows you the power behind YouTube is gets out to people. Video, period. Video, whatever platform you want to put your videos on. Instagram, well, Twitter is limited. Instagram, TikTok within 10 minutes. YouTube, I don't know all the real, if you can have long videos, and I don't know how all that stuff works, but I just know video, right? Video works. Put video out there. Let people hear your voice. Let people see your face. Just keep it simple. People who resonate with you will start following you. People who get the point where they really start believing in themselves, thinking they can do so, then they'll join you in business. See, people have to trust you first. When they trust you after that, it's believing in themselves to think, oh yeah, I can do this business. I believe I can make a $2,000 commission. I do. I personally believe I can make a $2,000 commission. Otherwise, I wouldn't even join this business. Don't join the business unless you believe it's possible. Don't join the business hoping. The hope strategy never works. You got to believe. Now, do you know for sure if you're going to make a sale? You don't know for sure. You don't. But you have to know, are you willing to do what it takes to get out there? If you get out there constantly, if you get out there on a regular basis, it will happen if you never quit. There was a multi-millionaire today said it took him a year to make $25. Today he a multi-millionaire. So just imagine if you'd have quit. You never know when your season coming. So just continue putting information out there. It's that simple. Listen, if you want to work with our team, let me tell you some of the team bonuses we got. You got my copy and paste swap file, a mega swap file, 3-generation bonus training, and my one-on-one bonus training. At any level, you get those. If you make the decision to go big in your business, position yourself at the G1000, G2000 level, you're going to get added to our team private chat. Over 50 people is in this chat simply doing what I'm doing now. Just getting out, cutting the video, letting go, telling people what I think, right? It's that simple, okay? You don't like your videos, go back, edit some of it. But the part you letting go, don't edit that part. Just keep it in. You make a mistake, who cares? Look, it's all about from the heart. It's coming from right here, coming from right here. Tell people what you think. That's what they really want to know. That's what people on YouTube, that's what people come to YouTube for. What are people saying about the company? What do you think? Right? It's not about tricks and editing and sparkles and all that. Get your message in front of other human beings. Find those who connect with you, right? So G1000, G2000, team private chat, over 50 people inside that chat. For ongoing support, ongoing training. You ask your questions. We got top earners in there. We got people who've been doing business for years, right? I'm in there. You be in there. We got Sean, Matthew, Victor, Quincy, Alpha. We got a lot of individuals out there who's putting in work, putting in action. Right? We know what to do in business. You got some who may not be making no money. Let's just be real. You got some of us who get sales and we can tell you what we're doing. But one thing that's universal that we all are doing who actually getting sales, we getting out, getting seen, and getting heard. Right? That's one thing that's universal that the ones who are making money in this company are doing. We got some of us who in Exitus Elite and doing other stuff, making money. I'm talking about making thousands of dollars from a $25 deal. That's amazing, right? You talking about 5 or 6 $2,000 sales a month, right? Not every single month, but in 1 month you make 5 or 6 $2,000 commissions. We can teach you how to do these things if you're willing to get involved with us. On top of that, I'm going to help you at G1000, G2000. I'm going to help you get eyeballs in your business. Because without people looking at your business, without people initially seeing the business, right, helping you build your list. We're going to give you tips on how to get out to those individuals through email, through this video. Then I'll cut this video. I'm going to post it on social media. Then I'm going to take this same video and I'm going to send it out to my list of people, my list of humans. Those who connect with me, cool. Watch the video, awesome. Right? You get to see exactly what I'm doing. I keep things very, very simple. This is what I do. This is how I'm building my business. Every once in a while, I may run traffic from the sources in the copy and paste file, and then I work those leads. I don't buy traffic. That's not what I do. Because one thing I learned is that we are in a lead generation business, but it's not a lead race. It's not about how many leads can I get. Can I get 100 leads a day? It's about getting 10 quality leads that's going to listen to you. They're getting 100 leads that's not going to do anything. If you got 100 leads that's not even paying attention, they're worthless. But you got 10 leads that's engaged with you. That's why organic marketing works so well. Those are the best leads. So if you want more information, click the link down in the description. Come to this page. There's 2 links down there. One takes you to that one. One takes you to this one. This is my personal funnel. One takes you to the Exitus Elite done for you system. You can see how it all works. And on top of that, another thing I like about Exitus Elite is that if you're busy and you run people through the funnels, like I'm cutting this video, right? You see me, you know about me. Only thing you gotta do is, do I want to join this person or not, right? You can go to here. You can come here. You can watch the videos. You know who I am, Michael Petty, live in the state of Georgia, married, kids, grandkids, work a full-time job, do Exitus Elite on the side. I'm a big family man, not a guru. I'm an everyday average person, right? But I can show you how to get results. So you know me, either call me or you can call the call center. This company has a call center that will close your sales for you. Now, we make 100% commission closing our own sales. Using a call center, we make 80%. So example, G1000 sale. You make $1,000 when you make that sale. Using a call center, you're gonna make $800. But the only thing you did was drive the traffic. The company did the selling. You didn't have to do, you did what, 90%? Well, I mean, the company did 90%, you did 10%, but you get 80% of the money. That's a fair deal for me, right? Close your own sale, you get 100%. The only money that this company makes is an admin fee. The $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000 goes in your pocket, paid instantly, no waiting on your money. So if you want more information about that, click the link down in the description. My name is Michael Petty. Looking forward to working with you.